We have a 2002 Acura RSX. We are changing out the tail lights. Customer would like to have a black smoke one. The first step we're going to do is remove this plastic panel that goes on the back of it. So a lot of stuff in here. And just pull this out. Once you have that out, these trunk felt, put it away. There are 4 8mm nuts you're going to have to remove. The other ones are all the way far back, so you're going to have to either remove this or use the angle one. Oh, there's an access holder?
Yeah.
Oh, good. So there's a tab here. Remove it from here. Okay, so once you have all... Alright, so we're going to have to take the bumper off because on the part of the light, there are 2 screws there. This is all... Take this bumper skin off to remove another screw on this side. The entire bumper skin comes down like this. Now, it's going to be an issue because there's supposed to be 2 screws on the part of it. It's all rusted, so hopefully we can get that. But as you can see, that thing is all rusted. So we're going to take this metal bracket along with the light because the screws, bolts are all rusted. They won't come out. So hopefully we can loosen that up. Those are so rusted, we decided to just cut that off. Cut both sides. They are so rusted it wouldn't come off. Right, so we cut off the bolts underneath and the screws also attached to the light itself. Here, they are all rusted, so let's see how it comes out. This, we're gonna cut that off.
Maybe you wanna try and see if this one.
As you can see, it's all rusted, kind of stuck together. This is even worse. Luckily, these 2 screws we were able to remove. That actually goes on the bottom side of it. These new lights, they don't have the hole for these bottoms, so we don't have to worry about the bottom bracket. Right, so since we cut off the bolt, we're just going to put a self-tapping bolt on it. You know what? Hold it. Hold it. That thing bolt right there. So we got 2 bolts underneath. So we got to transfer all these light bulbs to the new one.
I'll just put that shit inside.
Corner ones, it's easier to just plug it in first because it's kind of tight. This one, you can just put it in. Looks clean. Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And keep.
Okay. Okay. They are all rusted. This is how you're gonna take it out. Get a torch, heat it up. Right. Woo, burn. Great. Are you kidding me? Heat it up more. Mount back on.